Okay guys, we're back for take 2 on these door panels. I got some aluminum. This is a little bit thinner than what we had, but it'll probably do the job. The other stuff, I don't know why it wouldn't bend. Well, it bent, but then it busted. Anyway, we're gonna make up some door skeletons one day here. Last time in 4 days. We have a good template, so hopefully this ain't gonna take us that long. And we have a bender. Yesterday we went and picked up a bender from one of my neighbors. He said he didn't want it back because it's too heavy to move. So now I'm stuck with it for now. So let's get into this. We're gonna go ahead and start tracing this thing, and then we'll start cutting it out. Okay guys, we also have the left side now because I goofed up on the first one and made a left side. So we're gonna go ahead and take our right side over to our bender and mock it up, and we're gonna bend this, and then we're gonna test it. And hopefully it fits, because I don't wanna have to make another one. Whoa. Not the best, but it'll do for who it's for. That's what I was afraid of. My garage door's in the way. Ta-da! Alright guys, we have bent this now. Went ahead and taped up the edges too. We're going to go ahead and test fit. Dang, fits pretty good. It's a little wide up here at the top. I could probably fill that in. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to get some pieces made. I'm gonna cut a hole in here where the clips go in, and I'm gonna make a separate piece that slides in there, and I'm gonna pop rivet it to that, just so we can get it in the exact spot we need it. I'm gonna try to get my template and mark where they go. Then we're gonna cut the template out, hopefully, and then trace it on there to what we need to cut out. And then once we get the clips on, we'll probably start working on some kind of door handle. I don't know if we'll get to that today. Let's go ahead and we're gonna take this out. Okay guys, we made this little bracket. It took us about probably 30 minutes to do this. The bad news is we're gonna have to make 8 more. But anyway, what we're gonna do is these are gonna clip on to the back of the panel, and you push the panel in and it will hold it with pop rivets, and that's how we're gonna fasten this to the door. The bottoms I think are going to work with this. I may have to make a special one for up here because it goes so far in to the door, and I believe this one probably will work. We will see. But anyway, enjoy this time lapse because this is going to take a minute. Okay, so we got our template, the cardboard hung on there as you saw. We got our holes marked with our little clips, somewhat marked. Hopefully this is going to be in the right spot. It's a little bit different. So what we're going to do now, we're drilling a 7/8 hole. And that's where the bracket is going to mount. I'm trying to do this so we can get it exactly where it needs to go, so we can mark the spots for where the pop rivets are going to go. And then we're going to drill the holes for the pop rivets, then put them on the back side so the brackets are closer to the door, so it has a little bit more threads on the little push clips. So right now we're going to mark these and try to drill them. Hopefully they're going to be close enough. No turning back now. drill bit is so hard on this aluminum. It's so thin, it just chews it up. Now let's hope this isn't butchered up too bad. Alright, now let's see if we drilled these in the right spot. So far, so good. Alright, not too shabby so far. The only thing we don't have done is this one right here. There's another clip that we're going to have to make. It's going to have to be extended, but all these other ones look like they're going to be good to go. These clips, I need to drill the holes out for the pop rivets a little bit bigger. They're too small. But anyway, guys, I am wore out. I am about to go home. We'll be back again tomorrow, hopefully to get this finished. Hopefully get this hung on the door tomorrow, and then we'll start on the left side and get this left side at least to this. Keep it uniform and go back and forth. Get each one of these door panels same point before we move on too far. But other than that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. What is up, guys? We're back at it again today. We've already did a little bit today, trimmed out a little bit around the edge so this fits a little bit better, and we sanded where we drilled in and hacked up the actual aluminum, sanded that down so we don't cut our finger off. So right now we're going to go ahead and start putting these clips and stuff back on, marking where they go so we can pop rivet it. Right now we're going to go find our clips that I don't know what I did with, and we're going to start marking where these go. Don't understand today. Too bad you're going in. Clips are a little wore out, but I think that's gonna work. Well, guys, it took us 4, 5, 6 days, but we have a door panel skeleton that is done for now. And I think I'm going to go ahead and start on the left side and at least try to get the left side like this. And once we get them both like that, then we'll start trying to figure out what kind of design we're going to put on this. We're not going to leave it like this. We're going to put some kind of foam over top of it to cover this up so it doesn't look like a race truck. Even though it is a race truck, it'll look a little more modern. So let's get to going on the other side. Good thing we already have another side made.